I've done my certified teachers training course from the Yoga Institute, the master's from the Nagpur University, Kavi Kulguru Kalidas Sanskrit Pidgin, Somaiya College, affiliated to Somaiya College. And I run the Resonance, the yoga studio. I've been practicing since 30 years and been teaching since 20 years. I take many classes for yoga therapy, breathing, pranayama classes, meditation classes, and many more. So today, this event is been sponsored by Connect and Heal, and especially this session has been designed for improving the immunity system. Okay. So in this time of Corona, everybody like after immune system acha hona chahiye, right? So we can fight with the disease. Everyone know about it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Definitely, the chat session is on. If anybody has any question, you can answer. You can question. Your answers will be given. Any doubts can be cleared. Right. So ये immunity system है क्या? Okay. Immunity system. Anyone? You can switch on the video right now, right? So भले बाहर social distancing है, but हम थोड़ा सा पास आ सकते हैं. So you can switch on the audio right now. Sorry, audio is muted and video is on, so I can see you all. If anybody wants to answer, can unmute your audio and can answer me as well. Questions in the chat section. Immunity क्या है, right? Immunity is the defense mechanism of our body. वो हमारे शरीर में जो नहीं चाहिए, जो पैथोजेंस है, वायरसेस है, बैक्टीरिया है, उसको फाइट करके बाहर निकालता है, right? So the beautiful thing is about immunity, which very few people know, is what हम उसको कैसे रेज कर सकते हैं. सिंपल टेक्निक है. हमारा बॉडी का टेम्परेचर होता है 37 डिग्री. ओके. उससे 1 डिग्री अगर हम कोर टेम्परेचर, यहाँ कोर टेम्परेचर को अगर हम रेज करते हैं, then we can raise our immunity to 5 times. Okay. How to do it? If we increase the core temperature of the body to 1 degree, then the immunity raises to 5 times. It means 500%. Okay. See, just imagine, take a sample कि हमें बुखार आता है, तो बुखार में क्या होता है? Naturally, हमारा बॉडी का टेम्परेचर बढ़ जाता है, right? Because the body, the natural healing system of the body wants to fight against any bacteria or the viruses inside. That is the natural system of the body, right? So certain yogic practices are designed that way. In fact, all the yogic practices are for increasing the immunity, but we will be taking few practices today which are most beneficial and which is easy to do it in a quick time, short time. So जैसे मैंने बोला कि हमारा जैसे बॉडी में टेम्परेचर फीवरिश होता है, तो वो एक्चुअली हमारे अच्छे के लिए काम करता है, अंदर वायरस को मारने के लिए काम करता है. दूसरा क्या है कि हमारे शरीर में यहाँ थायराइड, पैराथायराइड और थाइमस ग्लैंड. तो थाइमस जो ग्लैंड है वो टी सेल्स को जनरेट करता है. नाउ टी सेल्स कैरीज द व्हाइट ब्लड सेल. ओके. वो व्हाइट ब्लड सेल को कैरी करता है. अब कहाँ वो कैसे कैरी करेगा? वो लिम्फेटिक ग्लैंड के जरिए वो टी सेल्स जो थाइमस ग्लैंड जनरेट करता है, वो लिम्फेटिक ग्लैंड के जरिए पूरे बॉडी में वो गन के जैसे काम करता है. लाइक यू नो, इफ देयर आर एनिमीज, तो शूट दैट एनिमीज. तो वो गन के जैसे टी सेल्स को वो शूट करता है जहां जहां पर हमारे शरीर में है. नाउ व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम विद अस कि सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम में हमारा नेचुरल पंपिंग होता है, द हार्ट पंप, राइट? तो वो पंपिंग होता है और ब्लड सर्कुलेशन अच्छे से होता है, बट लिम्फेटिक ग्लैंड में कोई पंपिंग सिस्टम नहीं है. सो फॉर दैट, टू activate the lymphatic system, to हमें जो टी सेल्स है उसको काम पे लगाने के लिए, टू फाइट अगेंस्ट द डिजीज, हमें लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम को क्या करना पड़ेगा, एक्टिव। एक्टिव कैसे करते हैं कि अगर कोई सोया है, राइट, इफ समबडी इज स्लीपिंग और हम उसको बोलते हैं यार, हम तो अच्छे से सोचते हैं ना कि यार मेरा इम्यून सिस्टम अच्छा हो जाए, राइट, तो कोई सोया है वो नहीं उठ रहा है, तो व्हाट वी डू, हम उसको जाके हिलाते हैं, वो हिलाते हैं तो उसको समझ में आता है यार अभी मेरा जागने का टाइम है। द सेम वे अवर नॉर्मल lymphatic system doesn't understand, yeah, that I have to fight with this viruses. But then if we stretch, if we move those muscles, if we move those organs of the lymphatic system, then it will start carry the T cells to the respected areas where it is needed. वो gun के जैसे shoot देगा, right? So this is a simple mechanism of the immune system. और वो लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम, लिम्फेटिक ग्लैंड्स कहाँ कहाँ पर है, बहुत सारे नेक के आजू बाजू है, आर्मपिट है, देन द मेन इज द स्प्लीन, जो रिब केज के नीचे और स्टमक के लेफ्ट साइड में अपना, द एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट, द लेफ्ट में इज पेनक्रियास, उसके बाजू में जो है स्प्लीन है, दिस इज द मेन लिम्फेटिक ग्लैंड। तो वो, एंड देन इन द पेल्विक रीजन, तो बहुत सारे जो लिम्फेटिक ग्लैंड्स है वो एरिया, ये एरिया में अगर हम ये एरिया को थोड़ा सा स्टिमुलेट करेंगे, इफ वी कीप ऑन मूविंग दोज एरिया, तो वो लिम्फेटिक ग्लैंड स्ट्रेच होके बाहर टी सेल्स को काम लगा देगी, एंड देन डेफिनेटली आवर इम्यून सिस्टम इज ग्रेटली improving. As I said, we just need to move those organs, stretch those organs, जितना अच्छे से स्ट्रेच करेंगे उतना अच्छे से स्माइल भी करेंगे, राइट। तो हमारा इम्यून सिस्टम ऑटोमेटिकली, एज आई सेड, 5 टाइम्स और 500% बूस्टअप हो जाएगा। इट्स वेरी इजी। वन मोर लॉजिक बिहाइंड इज दैट, सी, हम जब अभी, राइट, एवरीबडी इज इन द क्वारंटाइन पीरियड, राइट, तो हम पहले कभी क्वारंटाइन पीरियड में थे क्या? anybody wants to answer? अभी भी सबके वीडियोस बंद है, यू कैन वीडियो चालू कर सकते हो, so I can communicate well. Yes. See, क्वारंटाइन पीरियड हमारा तब था जब हम मदर के वूम में थे, when we were in the mother's womb, the 9 long months we were quarantined, and हमारा maximum growth and development तभी हुआ था. Our immune system was at its peak, it is at its best, like because we were connected with the mother, right? So you're in right now in this quarantine period, जो हमें naturally मिला है, the best time is to connect with the nature. Definitely the immune system will be at its peak. So there's another logic behind it, right? So we'll now some practices to, as I said, कि कहाँ काम करना है, some practices to activate the neck के पास जो lymph nodes है, armpits में है, तो spleen abdomen area में है, and then pelvic organs में है. अगर ये इतने कर लेते हैं, definitely हमारा immune system boost up हो जाता है. You just have to spare 5 to 10 minutes every day for that, right? So we'll start with the practice first. We'll just keep the hands on the shoulders. Yes, we'll all do together. See, अब हमें अच्छे से सांस लेना है. Just you breathe in fully, expanding your lungs, and as you exhale, forcefully take your core muscles in. As I said, we have to raise the temperature 1 degree higher. So we have to create the heat in the body. We'll be doing 20 strokes like this. You get it? We'll do it together. Just experience 1, 2, 3 strokes. You can do it keeping your eyes open. Once you are quite aware with the practice, you can keep your eyes closed and just become aware what is happening within. You will start feeling that heat within. So get ready. For the hands on the shoulders, posture erect, settle in any comfortable position. It is okay if you're sitting on the chair. The only condition is your spine should be erect, right? Yes, slowly take the position. Inhale. Exhale, take it on the side, not front, okay? It is exactly on the sides because there are a lot of lymph nodes on the armpits areas. We are activating them. Start. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close your eyes. Continue. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep your eyes closed. Be still. Place your hands down. Relax. Feel the after effect. Just feel that the body, you will feel little heat, especially in the brain region, forehead region, chest region, and the navel region. These are the main areas where ये practice का maximum benefit मिलता है. Yeah. So if you notice, there is a lot of pumping of the heart is happening. At the same time, lungs का functioning has been reduced. Okay, lungs जो है सांस बहुत कम ले रहा है, almost नहीं भी ले रहा है, few seconds, and heart बहुत तेजी से pump कर रहा है. So what happens with this कि lungs में negative pressure generate हो रहा है, heart में positive pressure generate हो रहा है. नेगेटिव एंड प्रेशर पॉजिटिव प्रेशर एट अ टाइम जनरेट होने से बॉडी में ब्लड सर्कुलेशन बहुत तेजी से बढ़ जाता है, एंड इट रियली वर्क्स ऑन एक्टिवेटिंग योर थाइमस ग्लैंड एज वेल. सी जस्ट इमेजिन करो एक गाड़ी बिगड़ गई है, और हम उसे पीछे से धक्का मार रहे हैं, साथ में आगे से भी उसे पुली से खींच रहे हैं. तो व्हाट हैपन, पीछे से भी धक्का मार रहे हैं, आगे से भी खींच रहे हैं, वो जल्दी से आगे बढ़ेगी. इन वे नेचुरल कंडीशन में हमारे शरीर में कभी भी पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव प्रेशर एक साथ में क्रिएट नहीं होते हैं. दीज आर द प्रैक्टिसेस इन योगा which helps to do this, fasten the speed up this progress. Okay, so this is a beautiful practice. You can do it 20 20 20 ke 3 times. Okay, if you have more time, if you can use more time, you can do 90 at a time over a period of time. The next practice we will be doing is now Setu Bandhasan. It is a beautiful practice again, wherein to stretch a little, stretch yourself, sit in a comfortable position. We have to lie down. Again, this works beautifully on your immunity. So you can just lie down and fold your legs vertically. Yes. If you can catch hold the ankle joint, आप पकड़ सकते हो. नहीं होता है तो आप हाथ दोनों नीचे भी रख सकते हो. I hope you all are doing it with me. Yes, slowly inhale and slowly lift your lower back, your buttock, your middle back, the upper back, and take the weight of the body on the shoulder. Feel the weight of the body is completely on the shoulders. The lungs have expanded maximum. Yes, slowly. Yeah. Slowly from here, breathe in and breathe out. Gently lower your upper back, your middle back, your lower back, buttock, and relax. We'll be doing little modification here, which works beautifully to remove the toxins and detox the body immediately. Slowly start inhaling, lift again. Yes, and now we will be giving forceful exhalation stroke followed by passive inhalation, 10 strokes like this. Gently lower your upper back, middle back, lower back, buttocks down, keeping your eyes closed. Unfold your right leg, unfold your left leg, back to relaxation. Just relax, relax, relax. Again, this works on opening all the lymphatic glands. Okay, so this is one of the beautiful practice, which is also called as bridge pose. One more things, I always believe in doing one inversion. Inversion is क्या है कि जहाँ हम पूरा दिन हमारा क्या होता है, सिर ऊपर पैर नीचे, और सारे ऑर्गन्स जो हैं वो ग्रेविटी की ओर पुल होते रहते हैं. ओके, सो द प्रैक्टिस जहां पर हमारा सिर नीचे है, वो हमारा इम्प्योर ब्लड को पूरा लंग्स की और प्यूरिफिकेशन के लिए लेके आता है. So any inversion in a day is a beautiful practice. There are many inversions. We're doing today is the Adho Mukha Shvanasana, or the also called as Parvatasana. So again, yes, come on the mat. Yes, keep the comfortable distance, like elbow to palm is the comfortable distance here, wherein you are supposed to keep your shoulder के नीचे हमारे wrist आ जाते हैं. Okay, from this slowly go into the downward dog. Yes, from here you can just place your upper body in, drawing your chest towards your thighs. And here, यहाँ पर अगर आपका body stiff है, so you can bend your knees little and go inside little further. And main thing is just to hold the position. Hold and raise your back high towards the ceiling. Take few deep breaths and experience the blood is moving towards your brain region. The holding is important. Few slow deep breaths is important. Upper body in as much as you can, activating your biceps and the shoulder blades. Yes, gently as you relax, slowly lower your knees and rest. Relax, relax, relax. Few normal breaths, allow your body to relax. Relax. तो कोई भी एक inversion होना दिन भर में is very very important, क्योंकि as I said, against the gravity जाना है. When you go against the gravity, there is a lot of confidence and willpower also increases in your system, in your body. Okay, this is the mental benefits of any inversion. The next practice is, now we are going to work on the spleen, as I said, क्योंकि spleen जो है वो left extreme left में है, तो कुछ उसको compress हो जाए वैसे आसन करने हैं, right? अभी तक जो हमने open up किया है, now we are going to do is the compression. So what you can do is, you can do with the sitting posture. Yes, slowly fold your left leg completely. So now you can see where the thigh and the abdomen is compressing is exactly the area of the spleen, right? So from there, left hand behind, inhale, right hand up. जैसे ऊपर किया, again यहाँ के lymph nodes open up हो गए. Gently, you can hug your knee and keep your back straight. Right leg active. Turn yourself on the left side. Close the eyes. Normal breathing. Deep breath and take your awareness directly to the area of the spleen on the extreme left side and feel nice stimulation there. Yes, be there. Make sure you will not lean like this. Okay, spine ऐसे नहीं जाएगा. You have to keep spine erect. अगर यहाँ आपका हाथ नहीं पहुँचता है easily, you can use the block, you can use the pillow. कुछ भी करके अपनी कमर को सीधी रखेंगे. ओके, रीढ़ की हड्डी को आप सीधी रखेंगे. यस, एंड यू मेक श्योर ये जो नी है छाती से लगा हुआ रहेगा. अगर वो दूर है, आपका कंप्रेशन नहीं आएगा स्प्लीन के पास, राइट? So gently be there, normal breathing, cheerful smile on your face, enjoy the stretch, and just experience that your immunity is increasing, the blood circulation is increasing, the lymphatic glands are stimulating. Just enjoy the stretch. Gently turn your neck and slowly unfold your legs and relax. Relax, relax, relax. Yes? Okay, fine. Any questions? You can keep asking me if you need. Okay, the next practice, now we are going to work on the entire system. अभी हमने जो किया, नेक के किए, आर्मपिट्स के लिए case spleen ka kiya. Now we are going to work on the pelvic region as well. So now this is a restorative posture. एकदम से थकान भी दूर हो जाती है हमारी. So you can go to any wall which is जहाँ जगह है. This is a restorative posture wherein थोड़ा सा यहाँ side में जाके you're just lying down. Yes, and slowly you're just opening your leg completely. Yes, and आपके दोनों हाथ possible है तो ऊपर या थोड़े से ऐसे relax. But so the lymph nodes on this area, the pelvic region, everything gets activated. And just lie down and just take few normal breaths. Keep your legs active, normal breathing. You can stretch as well up. You can be in the resting position as well. Be there, few normal breaths, and just enjoy beautiful relaxation feeling. हमेशा ऐसे थोड़ी देर सो जाओ. आपका बैक पेन होगा तो भी वो भी रिलैक्स हो जाएगा. You can feel that now the impure blood from the leg is rushing upward. And when we will release the posture, the purified blood will go towards the leg region. The stagnant जो blood है pelvic area में, वो पूरा निकल रहा है. Yes, just be there and enjoy opening of your groin. Yes, gently. अगर आपको ये भी नहीं होता है, you can keep your legs straight up to the wall as well. And relax, relax, relax. Slowly come back. Yes. Okay. One more practice, the breathing practices we will be doing now. I hope you all are very much sure मैंने क्या क्या बताया है. The first practice is the inhalation exhalation to increase the temperature of the body to 1 degree. The second practice to open up all the respiratory organs, the thymus gland, that is bridge pose. The third practice is any inversion. The fourth practice is a restorative asana, which is working on all the lymphatic glands, right? Now, one more breathing practice we are going to do is very easy and like, see, keep your hands like this. We are going to inhale and clap and take the core muscles in, okay? Okay, with a cheerful smile, be ready. We'll start with doing 20 counts. Yes, join the palm slowly. Yes, we'll start. 1, 2, 3, clap nicely. 4, तो सारे चार्ज हो जाएंगे. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 20. Gently relax. Yes. Relax. 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 Just start cutting little Daru. As you relax slowly, the last practice we'll be doing is, okay. Now, अब हमने जो clap किया ना, ये portion छूट गया. This portion of the center of the palm is a little inside, right? So that is the point of the kidney. और किडनी जो है हमारा डिटॉक्स का काम करती है. अगर किडनी अच्छे से काम करती है तो बॉडी से टॉक्सिन्स अच्छे से बाहर निकले. So now we'll be working on the activating the kidney area. So now we are going to clap like this. Okay? हमारे जो पहले हाथ थे ऐसे थे. Now we are going to do this. Okay? So we are going to keep it cross and gently inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, cheerful smile. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 20. Gently keep your eyes closed. Rest your hands on your Thanks. Just enjoy the after effects. कितना सारा stimulate हुआ है. You can feel the increased flow of blood in every part of your body. So where there is movement, the movement is medicine. तो आपका आज का नेचुरल एंटीबायोटिक का डोज मिल गया आपके शरीर को. आज का इम्यूनिटी का काम हो गया. Just 10 to 15 minutes for yourself works better. And as I said, connect with the nature, connect with the mother earth. As you can just go back to the time where we were in the mother's womb, we were safe, we were healthy because we were connected. So do not lose the contact with the mother nature. जैसे खाने पीने में भी थोड़ा ध्यान रखो. Like have the rainbow colors, like 7 colors जो rainbow के हैं, because even our chakras are of the 7 colors. So उसको chakras के blockages भी वो खाने से निकलेंगे. So have lot of colors in your food, in your life. Very hope you will definitely remember. Any doubt, any questions? Yes, we have 5 minutes. We can definitely have a, yeah.
Ma'am, anything for neck, you know, that for
neck,
backside neck.
cervical.
This is Gopal over here, ma'am.
Yeah, but cervical spondylitis?
Yeah, ma'am, because entire day we are sitting at home and the chairs are not that comfortable. It becomes, you know, start paining on the backside.
Okay. I'll show you quick 2-3 exercises. It is so very good. See, अगर neck में बहुत ज़्यादा pain है ना, तो हमें कंधों को काम देना है. अगर neck को ही ज़्यादा खींचेंगे ना, तो वो और pain करेगा. So always see, this is a beautiful exercise. हमें right हाथ को ऊपर से, सिर के ऊपर से clockwise घुमाना है. Do it for 5 times and then anti-clockwise 5 times. This is a beautiful exercise which works for the neck pain. Okay. Then, yeah, then the opposite hand. Okay, inhale and exhale. Do with the proper breathing. The breathing is like, if you do the breathing properly, you are taking more oxygen, and the more oxygen will work as a catalyst, right? It will burn the impurities in your body and it will heal to its fastest. So important is that your right breathing. The quality of life is important, is dependent on the quality of your breath, right? So if we get a chance, I would like to take a session